G'day and welcome back to Unimig. When it comes to protecting yourself from a world, which helmet you pick is the most important thing to consider. Today we're going to show you 4 different types of helmets that Unimig has to offer. Our Toxic helmet is considered our entry-level helmet. Yes, even our entry-level products are jam-packed with features. The Elite Vision lens technology means that you'll be able to see the world in its true colours and be able to TIG weld as low as 5 amps thanks to the great shade range. It also has an almost perfect optical clarity score, plus you get a sick print design on it. The Toxic helmet comes with 2 arc sensors, Elite Vision lens technology, 9:13 shade control, and 1:1 to 1:2 classification. Our Chaos helmet is super popular thanks to the neat artwork that covers the entire shell. As our mid-range helmet, the Chaos is great for the home hobbyist because it's affordable with top-notch features. The extra arc sensors in the Chaos helmet mean that you can get as low as 3 amps on your TIG weld, and the backup battery will keep your eyes safe just in case you lose charge before you're done welding. The Chaos helmet comes with 4 arc sensors, Elite Vision lens technology, 9:13 shade range, 1:1 to 1:2 classification, and a backup battery. Clean, sleek and professional. Our RWX 6000 helmets have the best optical clarity possible with a 1:1 to 1:1 rating. That means there's no distortion, blurriness or impurities across the entire lens. They've got an even greater shade range than our entry and mid-level helmets, plus you can save your favourite settings on the 3 memory profiles. What more could you want? Our RWX 6000 helmet comes with 4 arc sensors, Elite Vision lens technology, 5:13 shade range, 3 memory profiles, a 1:1 to 1:1 classification, and a backup battery. Well, there's one thing you might want that's even better. The RWX 8000 helmet, just like the name suggests. The RWX 8000 is pretty similar to its 6000 counterpart, but it comes with the added comfort that a 5-point harness provides. The more points of contact a helmet has with your head, the more evenly the weight is distributed, which makes them more comfortable, especially over long periods of time. That's why, along with its great optical clarity and full shade range, the RWX 8000 is our best welding helmet and perfect for the professional work on site or for a backyard DIY project. The RWX 8000 helmet comes with 4 arc sensors, Elite Vision lens technology, 5:13 shade range, 3 memory profiles, a 1:1 to 1:1 classification, a backup battery, and a 5-point harness. Well, that's a look at 4 of our helmets. We've also got a PAPR helmet that we've covered in depth that you can check out right here. For more info on our helmets and safety gear, head over to unimig.com.au and we'll see you next time.